Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Stories. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's begin. Mark, I am so happy we are here.
Me too, Emma. Bali is beautiful. You will love it here.
I already love it. The weather is so nice.
Yes, the weather in Bali is always warm. It is warm all year.
Really? All year?
Yes, all year. Now let me show you Bali. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Where do we go first?
First, we go to the beach. The beach is very close.
Oh, wonderful. I love beaches. Wow, look at the water, Mark.
Beautiful, right? This beach is called Kuta Beach.
Kuta Beach. The water is so blue.
Yes, many people come here. People surf here. Do you see the surfers?
Yes, I see them. They are surfing on the big waves. That looks fun.
It is fun. Maybe we can try surfing tomorrow.
Maybe. But I am not good at surfing.
That's okay. We can learn together.
Okay, what else can we see in Bali?
Many things. Bali has temples, rice fields, markets, and good food.
Oh, I want to see everything.
Come, let's go to a temple now.
A temple? What is a temple? Oh my, this temple is so big.
Yes, this is Tanah Lot Temple. It is very famous.
Tanah Lot. It is built on a rock in the ocean.
That's right. The temple is on a rock. When the water is high, you cannot walk to it.
That is amazing. Can we go inside?
Not inside, but we can walk around and take photos.
Okay. This is so beautiful, Mark. Thank you for bringing me here.
You're welcome, Emma. I am happy you like it.
What is this place, Mark?
These are rice fields. Farmers grow rice here.
Rice? Like the rice we eat?
Yes, exactly. The rice we eat comes from fields like this.
Wow, the fields are so green. They look like steps.
Yes, like steps. We call them rice terraces.
Rice terraces. They are so pretty. Can we walk there?
Yes, we can. Let's walk slowly. Be careful.
I love this place. It is so peaceful here.
Yes, very peaceful. Many people come here to relax.
I can see why. Everything is green and quiet.
Bali is special, Emma. The people are kind. The nature is beautiful.
I agree. I love Bali already. Mark, I am getting a little tired.
Oh, are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. But my feet hurt a little. We walked a lot today.
Oh no, I am sorry, Emma. I wanted to show you many places.
No, don't be sorry. I love seeing everything. But maybe we can rest.
Of course, let's find a cafe. We can sit and have something to drink.
That sounds perfect.
What do you want to drink, Emma?
What do you recommend?
Try the fresh coconut water. It is very good in Bali.
Coconut water? I never tried it before.
You will like it. It is sweet and fresh.
Okay, I will try it. Oh, we drink from the coconut?
Yes, try it.
This is delicious. So sweet and cold.
I told you, coconut water is the best.
You were right. Thank you, Mark. I feel much better now. My feet don't hurt anymore.
Good. Do you want to see one more place?
What place?
The market. We can buy souvenirs, and we can have dinner there.
Yes, I want to buy something for my family.
Perfect. The market is not far.
Let's go. So many things. What should I buy?
You can buy anything you like. Look around first.
Okay. I love these bracelets. They are so colorful.
They are beautiful. Good choice.
Now I am hungry. Can we eat?
Yes, let's try Bolognese food. Try this. It is called nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng? What is it?
It is fried rice, very popular in Bali.
Okay. Oh, this is so good. I love it.
I knew you would like it.
Mark, today was perfect.
I am so happy you enjoyed it.
I saw so many beautiful places. The beach, the temple, the rice fields.
Yes, and tomorrow we can see more.
Really? There is more?
Yes, Bali has many more places to explore.
I can't wait. Thank you, Mark. Thank you for showing me Bali.
You're welcome, Emma. This is just the beginning.
I love Bali. I want to come back again someday.
We will come back, I promise.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.